learn farm animals. Pig. A large pink, brown, or black farm animal with short legs and a curved tail, kept for its meat. Sheep. A farm animal with thick wool that eats grass and is kept for its wool, skin, and meat. Cat. A small animal with fur, legs, a tail, and claws, usually kept as a pet or for catching mice. Cattle. A group of animals that includes cows, buffalo, and bison that are often kept for their milk or meat. Duck. A bird that lives by water and has webbed feet with skin between the toes, a short neck, and a large beak. Goat. An animal related to sheep that usually has horns and a beard. Goats live wild on mountains or are kept on farms to provide milk, meat, wool, etc. Chicken. A type of bird kept on a farm for its eggs or its meat, or the meat of this bird that is cooked and eaten. Bird. A creature with feathers and wings, usually able to fly. Dog. A common animal with 4 legs, especially kept by people as a pet, or to hunt or guard things. Rabbit. A small animal with long ears and large front teeth that moves by jumping on its long back legs, or the meat of this animal eaten as food. Turkey. A large bird grown for its meat on farms. Llama. A large South American animal with a long neck and long hair, often kept for its meat, milk, or fur and to carry heavy loads. Mouse. A small mammal with short fur, a pointed face, and a long tail. Fish. An animal that lives in water, is covered with scales, and breathes by taking water in through its mouth, or the flesh of these animals eaten as food. Rooster. An adult male chicken. Goose. A large water bird, similar to a duck but larger, or the meat from this bird. Toad. A small brown animal, similar to a frog, that has big eyes and long back legs for swimming and jumping. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Bye-bye.